So here they are, the Medlems that we just picked, and I'm going to attempt to transfer them into a nice stew, just like all the stew, but with Medlems. Hopefully it works. We're here in our little kitchen, in our little holiday let, and we're going to take the tops of the fruit and then hopefully they will stew down into some delicious stewed Medlems. There we go, top and tailed, onto the stove. Some water to cover the fruit and let that slowly become to a ball and then reduce it to a simmer. We're only doing stew, so we don't need that much sugar actually. If we were making jam, then we would use a lot more sugar because jam is obviously what sets it into sugar. A lot of sugar is what sets it into a jam. So this is just a stew. I'm just gonna put a little bit just over the top, just to kind of balance the tartness of the fruit. And Medlems are incredibly tart, especially with the skin still on. So I'm just going to be quite liberal. And hope we'll have a nice stew with them. So this fruit is almost done. It's boiled down quite nicely. All the liquid that was in there before is kind of evaporated and thickened down to a really nice syrupy, nice and gooey. And it's just literally gonna take this off the heat in a minute. Because that's just all soupy and gooey, and the fruit is all super soft and all mushy. And funnily enough, as it's been cooking, it smelled like Gorvis, even though we're cooking Medlems. So they're probably related. They look a bit like Gorvis on the inside, and when they cook, they smell a bit like Gorvis. So really interesting. I reckon I'm going to take this off the heat now and then let it cool down. So it's just slightly warm, but not too hot so that you can eat it because that's crunchy making it. So just take this off the heat and just let that cool. And then I'll be ready to eat. Okay, so this is now cooled down really nicely and thickened up really well. So I'm literally just going to just some up. Some for me. Some for you.
Oh, you're gonna save me some?
I'll save you a little bit, but I'm not sure. It just smells so good. And then good old carnation milk, which is the topping of choice on St Helena for fruit with jellies. Goes over the top. Let's see how this tastes. So this is a first for me, because normally at Medlems straight from the tree. These are going to be oh, so nice. They're like stewed Gorvis, but acidic and lemony and tart. Okay, I might have to eat all of this and save none for you.